I bet you didn't know how cool paper making is. Ready to find out? Let's dive in. So, it all starts with trees. Big, strong trees are chopped down and sent to the mill. Here, they're turned into tiny wood chips. Next, these wood chips are cooked in water and chemicals to make a mushy pulp. Sounds messy, right? Then that pulp is spread out on a huge screen and pressed to squeeze out all the water. It's like a giant paper towel. Finally, the wet paper is dried on big rollers and cut into sheets. And there you have it, a fresh piece of paper. Pretty cool, huh?